Hi, welcome to Simply Scrapping. Today is the last of my layouts for the collection Obsession in the month of June, and I've been using the Indigo and Violet collection by Uniquely Creative. So Uniquely Creative are an Australian company. That's their website, uniquelycreative.com.au, and if you love the vibe of Minte, P13, those sort of papers, you'll love Uniquely Creative because that's their sort of style as well. Alright, so I'm scrapping this photo, and it's of me and my parents years and years and years ago, and I've already mounted it on a piece of their patterned paper from the collection, and it's quite a wide mount for me, but I wanted to show this paper, and I've distressed the edge of it. Now I can't find my distresser, I've lost it, so when I stopped scrapping for a few years, I've done something with my distresser and now I can't find it. So if you don't have a distresser, you can use the edge of your scissors, and you simply just go along like that on the edge, and it will distress it the same as using a distresser. So if you don't have all the latest and greatest tools, or you're on a limited budget, then you don't have to buy a distresser, just use your scissors and it does the same. Right, so I'm using the heading "So Very Grateful for You," and I've already coloured this in with a, dark Highland Heather Stampin' Blend by Stampin' Up, and it started to run out. All my blends are years old, and you can't refill them, so this end is no good. I've that's not the right term, but the end's all fluffy, so you can't really use that to colour with. And so I'm using this other end, and it's running out of ink, and they're not refillable. So the U is darker than the rest because I had to go over that like 3 times to get the get it coloured in because it was running out. But I guess it stands out because it sort of makes sense. So very grateful for you, and I guess the U being darker sort of makes sense. Anyway, it does in my head. I've got this other little tag, and enjoy, what's that say? Every moment. I couldn't read it there for a minute, my goodness. Enjoy every moment. That is going on the page as well. I already have my embellishments picked out. I'm just using the vellum creative cuts. So these are just basically vellum stickers. So you just peel off the backing and stick them on. So this is going to be a quick page to do. So let's get my words in order. Let's get started. okay, there's my page. Now it would have been a lot quicker had I been able to get the backings off those vellum stickers. Normally I use my pokey tool and it comes off quite easy, but I don't know whether it's me today, my eyes today, I don't know. I was struggling to get the backing off, but I did it. I really love how the vellum stickers blend into the paper. They are just absolutely stunning, and the graphics on them are just beautiful and detailed. I love them. What I added this die cut because when I added the tag down here, it looked a bit disjointed, like it wasn't a nice flow down. It was like, well, I had something here, but it was like flat to the page, and then this seemed on its own. So I went to the die cut pack and found a matching flower and just popped that up on foam dots. And yeah, that's it. There's my page. Just a few, what are they called? Rhinestoney things, embellishments, pearls, that's the colour, that's it. Lavender pearls, oh my goodness, words are hard today. That's it. If you have enjoyed this page, please give me the thumbs up. If you've enjoyed this series of the Collection Obsession, then make sure you check out below everyone else who's playing along this month, and come back next month for a new Collection Obsession, and feel free to join in. We'd love to see what you can create with one collection throughout the month. I'll link the Facebook group below that hosts the Collection Obsession, and would love you to join and, yeah, have fun in all the challenges and things that we do. So that's it from me. If you're not already a subscriber, please consider subscribing and hitting that notify bell so you know when my next video comes out. Thank you so much for watching, and have a scrap happy day. Bye bye.